How to play Steam games offline. This tutorial shows you how to launch and play your games without an internet connection. First, open the Steam app on your computer while still connected to the internet. After that, click on Steam at the top left. From there, click on Go Offline. At this point, a confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to switch to offline mode. In the next step, click Restart in offline mode. Following this, Steam will now relaunch without requiring an internet connection. Once done, click on your library and select the game you want to play. From here, click Play to launch it just like you normally would. At this stage, keep in mind not all games support offline play, especially ones requiring constant online verification or multiplayer connectivity. Keep in mind it's best to switch to offline mode while you still have internet access, since Steam sometimes struggles to enter this mode without ever connecting first. Finally, once you're back online, open Steam and click Go Online to return to normal mode. And that's it. If this guide helped you play Steam games offline, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.